Hey all, I just thought after I made the first video I better make a second video because with the Orthodog brace, it is a brace, it's a support brace. It's not a fix-all. You're not going to be able to put it on and your dog's going to be fixed overnight. So there's two things that you need when you're using any kind of brace, I don't care what it is. One, common sense, and two, patience. If you don't have those, it's going to be very frustrating for you and your dog, and you're going to have some issues. So anyway, those are very, very crucial when you're doing this. These don't heal overnight. Like us, sometimes as we get older, things take longer and longer to heal. And so it might take 1 month, 2 months, 3 weeks, depending on the dog. So again, it's a support brace, and you have to be able to be patient and have some common sense. When you're installing them, I recommend that you have it just slightly loose. Don't crank on it because it's got to be able to slide just slightly up and down, and on both sides, like I said, not over tight, because then it's going to be really, really uncomfortable for the dog. And it's got to be able to move. So like when they sit down, it will slide down, and then when they get back up, it will come up. Again, have it so it's not like strangling them, but just a little bit tight. So that was one thing that I wanted to be able to point out. When you install it, don't crank on it. And again, this is a long process. And so don't put it on and then take them for a 10-mile hike up in the mountains. It's not going to go well. It's going to take a tremendous amount of time, and their activity needs to still be limited. And so like even with Bella, after we've put them on, we've had about a week where it's just been very, very light walks to the end of the block and back. Out here, we're out in the Poudre Canyon. Very, very light activity. Sadly, no hiking or anything like that. It's literally just around the area that we're at, and I'll put her back in and let her relax for a little while, then maybe get her back out. So anyway, two things that are very, very important with that. So I wanted to be able to point that out. Keep it limited. As you feel things start to progress, then you can provide just a little bit more activity for them. But like I said, just have some patience and some understanding. This is a very, very long process, and this is just a support brace. It's not a fix my dog in a week or overnight or whatever you might think. So have some patience. All right, folks, take care.